Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to bevel edges in TinkerCAD. So just select your roof figure, then rotate it how you need to. Okay, so I will rotate that at 90 degrees like that. And now what I will do is basically select this figure and actually make it a little bit smaller. Now I will move a little bit upwards and towards my figure. And now make sure it goes on the edge like that. You can make a little bit smaller and adjust everything how you need to. Okay, so I will do something around that and make sure this edge is equal to this line. And actually now what we need to do is select a whole parameter on this little roof and now drag with your mouse and click union group. And that's how you bevel edges in TinkerCAD. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.